For a family, they are waiting to learn if skeletal remains found in Catawba County are those of a teen missing for 2 years. Tonight, we have the search warrant that says he may have been murdered over drugs. News Channel 36 reporter Tony Burbeck live from our mobile newsroom at the Catawba County Sheriff's Office.
And Dave, that teen is Travis Baker from just up the road here in Taylorsville. This search warrant says that Baker's acquaintance admitted the murder to a confidential police informant. However, we're not naming that acquaintance because as of right now, he has not been arrested or charged with murder, but I'm told that could change soon.
Are the human skeletal remains found on this land in Catawba County Travis Baker's? It's a question Dad Dwayne Baker isn't sure he wants to answer.
If I say yes, then there goes my possibility of finding Travis alive. And if I say no, there's more time period we have to go through of wondering.
But Baker says it doesn't look good given what investigators uncovered here. It includes car parts and clothing. A search warrant says a tip led deputies here, and the property owner admitted Travis Baker's acquaintance hid some of Baker's belongings here, including the bumper from Baker's Camaro. As far as that acquaintance goes,
I know who you're talking about.
Dwayne says it's the last person his son talked to before he disappeared. Investigators asked us not to say his name because it could jeopardize their case, and they say he's possibly on the run. And if the remains are Travis's,
then you got to start looking at what happened, why it happened, who done it, and that's just a different process of it that's just going to be as bad.
And tonight, investigators and family members are both waiting on a positive identification. The body, the remains, are at the medical examiner's office in Chapel Hill. We also know that tomorrow at 2 o'clock right here, there is going to be a news conference for more information about this case. We're live now with the mobile newsroom in Catawba County. Tony Burbeck, News Channel 36.